Trying to decide between Stash and Acorns? Here's a quick beginner friendly breakdown. Stash lets you pick your own stocks and ETFs. It's great if you want to learn investing and choose what goes into your portfolio. You can start with just $5 and get a debit card that rewards you with stock. Stash also offers retirement accounts if you upgrade. Acorns is more hands off. It rounds your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spirit change automatically. It's perfect if you want to set it and forget it approach without picking stocks yourself. Acorns also offers retirement accounts and some financial tools. Fees both charge around $3 to $5 a month, but remember, if you invest very little, fees can be a bigger percentage of your money. Bottom line is, if you want control and to learn investing, go Stash. If you want easy automatic investing with zero decisions, Acorns is your app. Like and subscribe for more quick finance comparisons. Questions you got there? We'll drop them below.